Hello friends, in today's video, let's have a look at the top 5 common mistakes made by people who are interested in gardening. So let's get started. The first mistake is either overwatering your plants or underwatering them. Keep pouring water in the pot till it gets flooded and can no longer take any more water, or just water till it begins to drain from the bottom. After the water seeps in, you should expect the water to drain from the bottom like this. The moment you see the water draining out, you should stop because that means the water has reached the bottom of the pot. The second mistake done is less sun or too much of it in your area of gardening. This is how your location should be. It should receive 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. Let me repeat myself. 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. My balcony receives about 7 hours of sunlight. It has a clear way for the sun and there is no blockage from the top, as you can see here. The third is soil porosity. When you water your plants, your soil should absorb the water like this. The water should seep through as fast as possible. There should be no stagnant water in the pot. Otherwise there will be a layer of algae over the surface of the soil, and the plant that you need to grow will receive less water because the algae will soak up all the water. You should have soil like this, which has high porosity and can drain the water very fast. Next is the type of soil you use. You must use a soil which is like this, a mix of compost, coco coir and soil. And this is a soil that you do not want to use because it is hard as rock and does not have any porosity. And at last is pruning your plants. If you don't prune any plants of yours, its infections might spread. You see a plant that has dead or infected leaves, the best way to keep the plant healthy and free of diseases is by pruning it. Just grab your gardening scissors and carefully make a clean cut on the branch.